In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your first $10,000 with affiliate marketing. This means that you don't need to create your own product, your own service. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can earn your first $10,000 thanks to affiliate marketing. Okay, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. And as I mentioned before, this means that with affiliate marketing, you don't need to promote your own product or your own service. So you don't need to deal with customer service, refund, tech support, and all that stuff. Okay, literally, you're going to be recommending products. So which are the things that you actually need? Okay, chances are that you're wondering like, okay, I want to replace my full-time job, or I want to make some extra income, or I want to have more time freedom, or I would like to have location freedom, because this is definitely something that you can do online. As long as you have internet connection, definitely this is something that it's going to be helping you. So with affiliate marketing, if you're looking to earn your very first $10,000, okay, first things first, you need to have a product. Okay. But again, you don't need to have your own product. We are going to be promoting other people products and services. Okay. It can be, you can find them on JVSU, ClickBank, D-Store 24, Wire Plus, and all this stuff. Or you can go, for example, and you can promote products from Nike, Lego, Amazon. Okay. So more than 80% of the companies online, they do have affiliate marketing. And with that says, we have something that we call low ticket, high ticket, or recurring. Okay, what does this mean? Okay, if you're looking to earn your first $10,000, and I'm not even talking about $10,000 per month, which is actually possible. I'm just talking about your first $10,000, and you're getting a product in which, well, you're actually promoting a product in which you're earning $10 as a commission. This is going to be low tickets. So you are going to need to make 1,000 sales in order to earn $10,000. But in the other hand, if you have a product that is called high ticket, okay, that means that you're going to be earning $1,000 per sale. You just need to make 10 sales and you're going to be earning $10,000. Okay, with recurring, it's different because you are not going to be getting just a one-time commission. So you're going to be earning commission as long as the person renew. Like right now, you have internet access. You sign a contract, right? And you're paying it month after month after month. Okay, it's not a one-time fee. It's something that you're paying on a monthly basis. So it's the same with recurring commissions. You are going to be getting recurring income month after month as long as the customer um, they renew. Okay, so literally out there are tons of thousands of companies who have, these products that you can promote or even services that you can promote. It can be ebooks, memberships, coaching. It can be physical products, not only digital products. Okay. So that's the very first thing. You need to have a product that you can promote. And thanks to affiliate marketing, you can promote more than one product, but you need to do it in a strategic way. More about that in a moment. Then the second thing is that you need to have a platform. And with the platform, I mean something that you already have. Okay. This this can be an Instagram account. Okay. This can be a TikTok. Okay. This can be a YouTube channel. This can be Facebook and so on. Okay. So you need to have a platform. And again, remember that I told you that is, I mentioned something here that is traffic. Traffic is basically what it means is that these are eyeballs. Okay. These are actually people who are actually looking on what you have to offer. Okay. So that's the only thing. Okay. We just need eyeballs. And there are many options and even blogging here. Okay. For example, if you love writing, and reading stuff online, chances are that the best way you can actually promote is by blogging, reading articles. Um, Me personally speaking, I prefer to go with short form video content, so I can put them on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook Reels. This is actually the same content, and I'm using it on different platforms. So I have more possibilities to get more eyeballs. Okay, so that's more options in which I'm going to be getting more traffic and more chances that I'm going to be earning commissions. Okay, it's the same content. Okay, by the way, I'm not talking about this long form content. I'm talking about the really short form content, which is going to be like 5 to 7 seconds videos. Okay. So I prefer to go with video. It can be faceless. I prefer actually to show my face. That's actually the thing that I've been doing for the past years. And that's the thing that I actually recommend. Again, I'm using Instagram, I'm using TikTok, I'm using YouTube and Facebook Reel. Okay. Instagram Reel, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. Also, this long form content. But my suggestion is like, if you're going to go with the short form content, go with that first. After you master it, try to go with the long form content, because if you're trying to do several things at the same time, like, hey, I'm going to be blogging, I'm going to be doing long form content, and you're by yourself, you have a full-time job, or chances are that you have two jobs and your family and all this stuff, man, it's going to be wild. Okay. It's actually going to be wild, and you're going to get frustrated, and you're not going to be growing the way you want to go. Okay. And remember, this is actually business. Okay. So think about it long term. And by long term, it's not like what's going to happen in the next 5, 10 years. No, no, no. It actually is something that can change your life in the next few months. Okay. What else do we need? We need leads. Okay. So we need leads. So with leads, I mean people who raise their hand. Okay. People who are actually watching your content and they're like, hey, I really like that information. So I want to get more information about this. So we can use a tool. I'm going to be leaving a link below. It can be a Weber, it can be ClickFunnels, or if you want something free, it can be System.io. And you can create a page where you're going to tell them like, hey, I have something for free. Okay. So I have something for free. If you want more information, this can be a checklist. This can be an ebook. This can be a video. This can be an access to a webinar. Okay. If you want more information, then you're introducing that person, and this can be reading content or it can be a video to the solution. And the solution is no other than the product that you are actually promoting. Okay. This is actually what you're going to be doing. And the cool thing about this system is the fact that people are going to be getting emails on your behalf. Okay. People are going to be getting emails on your behalf every single day. Okay. And it's not only going to be about this product, but it can be other products and other services. And this is actually the way in which you are going to be building passive income. Remember what I told you before, that you can promote more than one product, but you need to do it this way. Okay. This route. So at the end of the day, you're going to have the opportunity to promote as many products as you like. And remember that you can have some low ticket, some high ticket, some recurring. Okay. And you are going to be earning money. Most people don't know this, and they're doing it all wrong. What they're doing is like, they have their TikTok account, Instagram account. They have oops, they have the YouTube channel and all this stuff. And they're like, yeah, we're going to be sending the traffic, people, I remember eyeballs, to the affiliate link. And no, 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 no. This is not going to work, because people are not with their credit cards or debit cards, or just in front of the computer with using their cell phone like, hey, I'm going to purchase everything. Okay. No, and sometimes they're interested, but maybe they don't have the money right away. Maybe they are, in places like the supermarket waiting to make a payment on the bank. Okay. So it's not that they're not interested. It's maybe because, life happens. Okay. And if you have the leads, remember that you're going to have the opportunity to promote more than one product. Okay. So This is going to be like a snowball effect. Okay. Um, okay. I already told you about this, which is you need actually a funnel. Okay. This is the actual funnel that you're going to be using. It's actually really, really simple, just 2 pages, and that's it. And you can build this again with System.io. You don't need to have any kind of design skills. You don't need to have any kind of coding skills. They have done for you templates that you just need to replace your information, and that's it. Okay. Super easy, super simple. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share it with someone that you think he or she might be interested. And if you want to learn more about this in depth, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can have more information about this. Okay. But this is actually what we call a funnel. It's not a complex website, it's just a 2 page website in an email sequence. And right now, you can write your email sequence with ChatGPT. You can let ChatGPT knows like, hey, I have this product. This product is about this and this and this. I want you to help me write an email sequence for an email sequence of 7 to 10 emails. So ChatGPT is actually gonna help you. It's gonna be like a base, okay? It's for you not to start from scratch. I don't suggest you to use it like copy and paste. You just need to add your own voice. But again, that's my personal thought. I know people who have using it as it is. So right now we know that we need to have a product. My suggestion again is go with something high ticket and something recurring. A platform. Remember that use a platform that you spend the most amount of time. If you spend a lot of time here on YouTube, chances are that YouTube is. If you like reading content, go with blogging. Or if you are not sure, hey, go with short form content, 5 to 7 second videos. That's it. Okay, we need to get leads. We need to capture those leads with a funnel. And this is a plus. I suggest you guys to create a brand. Okay, my brand. I use my name, Diana Castillo, but I also have here a money maker area. Okay, um, something really important about the brand is that you need to have a purpose. Okay, you need to build an impact. You need to be helping people. Okay, that's actually something extremely important. Okay, you need to really have the willingness to help people. Okay, you need to talk about yourself. You need to talk about your process, your transformation, how things have changed because of the product that you're promoting. And if you're not getting the results that you're looking for so far, don't worry about that. Just document your journey and people are going to connect with you because at the end of the day, people connect with people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay. So the more information and the more content you have out there, that it's really helping people, the more they're going to be like, hey, this is the person that I will consider making a purchase in the future because he or she is actually helping me. Generally, he or she is actually helping me. I connect with this person. I understand the process that he or she already have and all the stuff. So, guys, actually, that's actually really important that you create a brand. It can be a personal brand again, or you can have like a name. You don't need to have a fancy logo. You can have your own picture and that's it. Okay. So, but take this into consideration. People buy from people they know, they like, and they trust. Okay. So again, if you want to learn more about this in depth, I'm going to be leaving a link below. This is for this video. If you find this content helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.